So the other method as I introduced is elimination method. Elimination method. So elimination method involves eliminating some variable so that we have one variable to work with. So we can have this situation 2x plus y is equal to 18 and x plus 2y is equal to 3. So the steps on to solve this are, first you make one variable to have the same coefficient in both equations. So what this means is, if you have these two equations, this one and this one, the first job is you choose one variable, then you make sure that it has the same coefficient here and here. The coefficient of x is 2 and the coefficient of x here is 1. So you do something that will make these two to have the same coefficient. So this variable that you have chosen is going to be eliminated. It's going to be removed so that we only remain with the other one. So how do we make the two equations have the same variable? I mean, the two variables have the same coefficient. So you just draw a line here and you get the coefficient of, let's say this, which is 1. You take it there in the same line with the first equation. Then you get the coefficient of the second one. Then you take it there on the same line, in the same line with the second equation. So this 2 is here and this 1 is here. Once we do this, we multiply 1 with everything here and also multiply this 2 with everything here. So if this was negative 2x, the coefficient is negative 2, so we write negative 2 here. Just a reminder. So what do we get when 1 is multiplied by everything here? So 2x times 1 is 2x, positive y times 1 is positive y, 18 times 1 is 18. So the top part will just be this. The bottom part, 2 times 1x is 2x, 2 times 2y is 4y, and 2 times 3 is 6. We're going to have this. So we have made sure that one variable has the same coefficient in both equations. This x has 2 and this x has 2. So we have done this step successfully. This other one has different variables, but we have made one to have the same variable. So the next step is you subtract second equation from first. So these are our equations, the ones that we got. So the second step says subtract second equation from first. So you just subtract this from this. How do you subtract this from this? Simple. Just subtract you just subtract the bottom part from the top part, the bottom part from the top part, the bottom part from the top part, just like that. So we're going to get 2x minus 2x is 0. 2x minus 2x is 0. Y minus 4y is negative 3y equals 8 minus 6 is 12. So that's what we've done. This minus this, this minus this, this minus this. This negative is not for 2x. Maybe I haven't written it well here. That it just shows that you are subtracting everything from everything on the bottom from everything on top. So 2x minus 2x is 0. Y minus 4y negative 3y. 18 minus 6 is 12. So we have 0 minus 3y is equals to 12. So after this, we solve for y, which is step 3. Solve the resulting equation. So 0 minus 3y equals 12 is what we got. So 0 is nothing, so it's just this. Then we can divide both sides by negative 3, and the negative 3s are going to cancel, and we're going to end up with y being equal to negative 4. Simple. So that's why I like elimination. It's simple and straightforward, involves simple steps, and never gets complicated. So we can go to step 4. Step 4, you substitute you substitute value obtained in the previous step into one of the equations and solve the equation. So the answer that we got, we substitute it into one of the equations. So we got negative 4 as the value of y. So I've chosen this equation. Whatever equation you're going to choose, you're going to get the same answer. So 2x plus y is equal to 18. So wherever there's y, I put negative 4. So 2x plus y is equal to 18. I substitute y with -4. So 2x plus y is -4. I've put in brackets so that I don't confuse the signs here. Negatives are very dangerous. So what do? We expand the brackets or remove the brackets by multiplying the signs, positive times negative. So we're going to get 2x minus 4 equals 18. We solve for x. We take -4 the other side. It becomes plus 2x is equal to 18 plus 4. Therefore, we have 2x equals to 22. We can divide both sides by 2 so that the 2 cancel here, and 22 divided by 2, it's 11. So this is elimination method, simple and straightforward. It never gets complicated. So you can choose either substitution or elimination, but whatever you choose, make sure you do more questions so that you become master at it.